Hello, I am Elsa Speak. In this video, I will demonstrate how to utilize our new feature, Elsa AI. Are you ready to being your personal English AI tutor to master fluency and speak with confidence? Within the application, navigate to the Discover section and select Elsa AI to begin. Grant the necessary permissions for Elsa to generate personalized content for you. Let us begin with a sample scenario from Elsa for a job interview. If you are uncertain at any point, select the light bulb button for suggested responses from Elsa. You may choose or read from these suggestions. Upon completion of the role play, please wait momentarily while Elsa evaluates your English skills and provides suggestions for improving your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. That concludes our sharing. We hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.